Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Wahyuni Kencanawati, student of State Islamic University of Sultan Syarif Kasim Riau, majoring in English Education Department. So here I would like to show you about my thesis under the title of Error Analysis of Student Sentence Structure in Paragraph Writing at the second year of SMK PGRI Pekanbaru. Okay, the first we go to the background of the problem. Error in writing by students can mean the students are not aware of or do not understand the specific rules when using English, specifically in written form. In addition, the problem also found in SMK PGRI Pekanbaru that students still make error of sentence structure in writing paragraph. In this regard, they miss of subject on sentence. Some of student low motivation in learning English so that they do not have a lot of vocabulary and it makes them difficult to write a sentence in English. And lack of understanding of using correct grammar when writing so that it makes students often make mistakes in writing sentence. According by Brown 2000 said written language is simply a graphic representation of spoken language and that written performance is much like oral performance. Nuna 1989, writing is an extremely difficult cognitive activity which requires the learner to have control to numerous factors coming from the academic background and personal interest towards various physiological, linguistic, and cognitive phenomena. Identification of the problem. The first is lack of students' motivation in learning English so that it makes difficult to write due to lack of vocabulary. The second, lack of students' interest when learning grammar. And the last is students have difficulty in writing because they do not understand the use of grammar. Limitation of the problem. Based on the identification of the problem, the writer focused on the error of student sentence structure in paragraph writing. Limitation of the problem. Based on the identification of the problem, the researcher focused on the error of student sentence structure in paragraph writing. Formula of the problem. The first is what are the types of error committed in paragraph writing by the second year of SMK PGRI Pekanbaru. And the second is what are the most dominant error made by the second year of SMK PGRI Pekanbaru in paragraph writing. Objective of the research to explain what are the error student sentenced to paragraph writing at the second year of SMK PGRI Pekanbaru. Significance of the research. Theoretically, the first is finding of this research is expected to help for students can further improve their ability to write in paragraphs. The second is this study can be used as the reference for the next researcher. And practically, the finding of the research will provide benefits for English teachers to evaluating the students in English teaching, especially in students' writing skills. Definition of the term. The first is sentence structure. According Greenbaum and Nelson 2002, sentence structure is formed by the elements. The elements of sentence structure have meaning such as subject, verb, object, complement, and adverbial. The second, error. According Richard N. Smith 2002, an error is the use of word, speech, act, or grammatically items in such a way it seems imperfect and significant of an incomplete learning. The third is Survey Strategy Taxonomy by Dulay, Bird, and Crescent, 1982. Survey Strategy Taxonomy involved in this research is a system of categories which classifies errors based on the way survey structures are altered in sentence. And the last is recount text. According Knapp and Watkins 2005, recount text is a written form to tell about events in the past. Operational concept. The purpose of this Operational concept is to explain writing errors. In this research focuses on categorizing and analyzing sentence structure errors, particularly in paragraph writing, as suggested by Dulay, Bird, and Creation, 1982. Research method. Research design use descriptive, quantitative, time and location on June 2022 at Jalan Brigjen Katamso, number 46, Pekanbaru, and the subject the 11th grade students of SMK PGRI Pekanbaru, and the object is the student sentence structure errors in paragraph writing. Population and sample. The target population of the students at the 11th grade SMK PGRI Pekanbaru, there are 11 class of the population, and the total population are 2092, and the sample of the students at the 11th grade SMK PGRI Pekanbaru, the researcher had taken 11 accounting and financial institution 1 and 11 accounting and financial institutions 2, which consists 27 students and 26 students, and the researcher just only took 16 students samples in every class. Technique of data collection. The researcher used documentation as an instrument, and to collect the result, researcher was used the test writing. Technique of data analysis. The researcher used the data carried out by using descriptive formula from Sujono 2012. The result of the student's error in sentence structure in paragraph writing. Okay, this is the results of the student's error in sentence structure in paragraph writing. There were 3 types of error with 4 categorized error in strategy taxonomy by Dulay, Bird, and Creation, 1982. It can be seen in the table that in students' writing, based on survey strategy taxonomy, in the total error committed by the students were 3,071 items of errors. Omission errors. There are 3 subtypes of errors, and the total in omission errors are 45 errors, or 12.13%. And the second is addition errors. There are 3 subtypes of errors, and the total in omission errors are 21 errors, or 5.66%. The next, misformation error, with total 303 error, or 81.67%, and the last is misordering error, with the total 2 error, or 0.54%. Okay, from the data, it can conclude that the types of errors and the percentage of errors in sentence structure based on survey strategy taxonomy in paragraph writing. The highest of the first is misformation with 81.67%. The omission is second place with 12.13%, while addition is the third place with 5.66%, and the lowest place is misordering with 0.54%. Conclusion. The types of errors committed in paragraph writing by the second year of SMK PGRI Pekanbaru are 4 types. There are omissions, additions, misformation, and misordering. Researcher focused to investigate some language features in recontext. The researcher separated it into 3 parts. they were the use of nouns, adverbial, and simple past tense in paragraph writing classified by surface strategy taxonomy. The most dominant error made by the second year students of SMK PGRI Pekanbaru was misformation with 3,003 errors or 81.67%. So that's all from the researcher presentation. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.